So hello everyone. So I'm back. I'm sorry for the late video about this lesson 5, interpreting mean and standard deviation of discrete random variable. So for this video, we're going to talk about lesson 5. So you are going to interpret the mean and variance of a discrete random variable and solve problems involving mean and variance of probability distribution. So we have here an activity, game of chance. So we have Romulo and who's this other one? Romulo and Cardo. Yeah, they're talking about television raffle tickets. Okay, so you all know that you're already familiar with those raffle tickets, diba? Because it's already not new to ours. Even in every barangay or any lottery, kanang we have lotto. Yeah, that is an example for that one. You can relate so that we can relate. Okay, so we're talking about your probability or chances to win with those raffle tickets. So we are talking about how many percent do you have, or do you have a chance to win if you only have 3 tickets out of 10,000 tickets. So mayroon pa, some will say a chamba, like that. So for this, you can solve for your chance percentage if you will win the said raffle draw. So say for example here, senior citizen of our particular barangay organized Christmas raffle bonanza. 1,000 raffle tickets are sold. Remember, we are talking about here 10,000. 1,000 rather, I'm sorry. So we are talking about here 1,000 raffle per ticket. So 1,000 is equivalent to 50 pesos. So every one ticket, that is equivalent to 50 pesos. So take note of that one. And what else? We have each has one equal chance of winning, of course, that is probability. So the first prize is you have a 32-inch LED TV worth 10,000. The second is worth 5,000, which is the electric oven. The third prize is 2,500. So let X denotes the net gain and purchase one ticket. Remember, we have here the formula. Okay, so this means this is the summation. Yes, X sub I is the value of random variable for outcome. Mu is the mean of a random variable. P of X sub I is the probability of random variable will be the outcome of I. So let's have the solution. If a ticket is selected as for the first prize winner, the net gain of the purchaser is 10,000 less the 50 pesos. Why less? Because you bought a one ticket, so that is 50 pesos. Remember, again, one ticket is equivalent to 50 pesos. So the first prize is 10,000 minus the ticket that you bought, so you have 9,950, right? Okay, so out of those 1,000 ticket, you have only 1 out of 1,000 chance to win that first prize, diba? Of course, you cannot have 2 out of 1,000 because you only have one ticket. For the second prize, that's what we have here, 9,950. I hope you get it. Where did this 950 came from? The same thing, what will you do in the second prize? The second prize is worth how many? How much? That is 5,000. Again, that is 50 pesos. You will not know because you will not know if you will win the first prize, second prize, third prize. Once you win the first prize, of course, you cannot have two winners, diba? So, isa lang yung yung prize mo. So, that's why we subtract again 50 because we do not know yet if ano yung makukuha mga prize. Pwede ka ring matalo, diba? So, we are just assuming with equal chance of probability. Not assuming na hindi ka bumili ng ticket, mag-assume ka mag-win. It's because you bought a ticket and that you have a chance to win. those raffle tickets. So again, so we have here 4,950. Again, that is equivalent to 1 out of 1,000. And the third prize, then the third prize is how much? 2,500 minus 50 pesos. So you have 2,450, or again, that is equals to 1 over 1,000. So those are your chance to win those first, second, and third prize. Now, what if, ma'am, pag hindi mo nakuha yung tatlong prizes? So, of course, you will lose. You have negative 50. Negative 50 because you lose 50 pesos when buying a ticket because you do not know if you will win or not. Chance up, equal chance. So, that is negative 50. So, what is the probability you will get or you will lose? Because since you buy only one ticket out of 1,000, so of course, that is 1,000 minus 1. But 1,000 minus 1 is, you have here 99, but again, you have 3 here. You already use here 3. That's why we have 1,000 minus 3. So you will have 9,997. We will not use 1 here because there are, in 1,000, this 3 here is already counted. Okay? So, wag malito. So, we must subtract the 3 because of the prices. Okay? So, out of, that is over 1,000. So, you have 0.997% to lose your 50 pesos. So, ano yung mas malaki? You will win or you will lose. So, anyway, wala namang masama kung there's always a chance to win. So, we have here the table. So, if you lose, if you have the first prize, second prize, third prize, and then you lose. Okay? So, after that, using the formula P of W, so you add those probability distribution, the P of X of I. P of X sub I, so we have 0.10, okay? And then that is 0. So, using the formula, so you have here the suspected, do you remember the formula here? Where was the formula? No. Lumampas na. Okay, there you go. The probability, this one. So, you multiply the summation. So, you multiply this one. This is the first prize. Yes, the first prize times the P of X sub I. The second prize. Then this is the probability distribution. The third prize, the lose price, and its probability distribution. Then you add. So you have negative 32.50. So what is this negative 32.50? The negative value means one loses money on the average. In particular, if someone were to buy ticket, and although you would win now and then on average, you would lose 32 pesos and 50 cents per ticket purchase. So ganon. So, masosolve dito yung chance mo na mag-lose. So, you lose negative 32.50. Okay? So, that is how to get the probability distribution of the given. So, still, you have this average na you will get. Well, let's have another example. From the given activity, the cardo. Okay, so you need to compute the probability here, di ba? Cardo bought only one ticket, di ba? So you have that. So 499. Alright, so you got the. Okay, since Cardo, there's no first, second, third, or fourth winner or prizes. Since it's only one, it's already between win or lose. So that's why we have here 499 over 500, because it is just only win or lose. So that's why we have 1 over 500 here. So the same steps that we did in your this one, just solve it that way. Next example, a life insurance company will sell 250,000 one-year term life insurance policy for members in the armed forces of the Philippines for a premium of 200 pesos. Okay? Find the expected value to the company of a single policy if a member of the armed forces police has a 99% chance of surviving 1 year. So the solution, so again, it's not the same from the first example. We have first, second, third prices, but this one is only live or die, surviving or die. So we have only two choices here. Either the police survived or died after a year. So let X denotes the net gain of the company from the sale of one policy. There are two possibilities again. The insured person lives the whole year, or the injured person dies before the year is finished. So applying the income minus expenses principle in the first case of the value of X, which is equals to 200 minus 0. So your income minus the expenses. So because you live, so you are subtracted by 0. In the latter cases, since you died, since the injured persons dies, so we have 200 minus the expenses, which is the 2,000 or 250,000. So that is equivalent to negative 249,800. Since the probability of the first case is 99.98% or 0.998, and in the later case 1 minus 0, that is 0.2. This is 0.2 refers to this one. If he dies, if the injured person dies, so the probability distribution is if 200, yes, 200 minus 0, so you have this. And if the injured person dies, so you only have 0.02, then by the given formula you have this, the x minus the probability times the probability plus the x again times the probability. So you have average of 150. So interpretation, sometimes the company may lose a large amount of money on a policy but typically gains 200 pesos, which by the computation of E of X gives a net of 150 on the average per policy sold. So as you can see, win or lose, die or alive, still the company, the insurance company will have its gain. Okay, so that is how we get the probability distribution of expected value. So that's it about lesson 5. If you have more questions, just PM me. Alright, thank you and goodbye.